Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. Are you happy with Happy Holi?
Happy Holi.
What? Did you play Holi?
Yes, I played Holi. You enjoyed playing Holi?
Yes.
Yes. So now do
Yes.
you want to study? No.
Yes.
Yes. No. No. Yes. No. You want to do only exercises today? Yes. No. What? No. We have to study. What? No. I am quickly sharing the screen. Okay. In the last class, you remember what did we do? Singular, plural, and
And
word substitution. Do you remember?
yeah. Singular, plural, and one word substitution means
Yes. You tell me what did we do? What was one word
substitution,
substitution?
singular, plural. Eh.
What was one word substitution?
That I don't remember
That you don't remember. Why?
because of Holi and function.
One, because of Holi, you don't remember one word substitution.
Holi and function.
Animals who eat only green plants are called which animals?
Herbivorous.
So you have given one word for that particular thing, right?
Okay.
So that is one word substitution.
Pharmacy.
Yes. Same way, should I go ahead?
Sun Pampudi.
Don't. And
What
singular
is
plural you already know, right? One
yes?
and many. Okay,
Sun Pampudi.
now pay attention.
Sun Pampudi.
Okay. So to make regular nouns plural, we add s. All these rules we've done. I want you to just read once. Wait.
I know this.
Please don't make noise.
I am not making noise. I am only telling you I know this.
Start reading. Read
What?
the rules. Only read the rules. Just
Plural,
go through the rules. Just go.
plural noun rules. There are many plural noun rules, and because we use nouns so frequently when writing, it is important to know all of them. The correct spelling of plurals usually depends on what letter the singular noun ends in. To make regular nouns plural, add s to the end. Example cat, cats, house, houses. If the singular noun ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, or z, add es to the end to make it plural. Example bus, buses, lunch, lunches, tax, taxes. In some cases, singular nouns ending in s or z require that you double the s or z prior to adding the es for pluralization. Example gas, gases. If the noun ends with f or fe, the f is often changed to ve before adding the s before form as to form the plural version. Example wife, wives, wolf, wolves.
You
Exception.
know all these rules.
Yes, exceptions. Roofs. Belief, beliefs. Sep, seps. Chief, chiefs. The okay. If a singular and please scroll up the screen. And please scroll up the screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Should I go ahead? Yes.
Next one, you have not scrolled up yet.
This is all we've already done.
No, ma'am. In my screen, it is not visible. Only your face is visible, and the letter is visible.
Why?
I don't know. It is your internet connection.
No, not my internet connection.
Ma'am, my internet is full.
My internet is also full. My internet shows the message. Now see, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. If the singular noun ends in O, add ES to make it plural. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomatoes. Exceptions. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Hello. And what is the meaning of hello?
Where?
What, ma'am?
Where? Hello.
Yes.
You.
Hello and hello.
What do you understand by hello?
I don't understand. In my language,
The
Odia, it is
circle of light that is shown around the important head of an important person or a religion, of, or a ring of light seen around the sun or a moon during the eclipse.
what, ma'am?
A ring of a light that is seen around the sun or a moon, especially during the eclipse. During the eclipse. Clear?
Okay. Keep keep आपके ऊपर लगा है constant. If the singular noun ends in US, the plural ending is frequently I. Cactus, cacti, focus, foci. If the singular noun ends in IS, the plural ending is ES. Analysis, analysis, ellipsis, ellipses. Some nouns don't change at all when they are pluralized. Sheep, sheep, hare, hare, deer, deer, fish, fish. Ma'am, why can't I view a profile?
Why?
I want to know where you live.
So, what are you doing along with reading?
I am not able to see your profile
Where are you checking my profile?
in your chat box.
Please, Kaibalya, don't waste time. Quickly read plural noun rules for irregular nouns. We've already done this.
Email is equals to their phone. It is blurred. I can see the letters. Trying to see, trying to see this
I will
properly.
show slowly. Why can't you see? Okay, when we will do the test, no, you will come to know. Quickly read.
Plural noun rules for irregular nouns. Irregular nouns follow no specific rules, so it is best to memorize these or look up the proper pluralization in the dictionary. Child, children, goose, geese, man, man, woman, woman, fruit, seed, foot, feet, mouse, mice, person, people.
Now read this. A large pillar made from one stone. Monolith.
Detailed
Detailed
plan.
detailed plan of a journey.
Itinerary.
Itinerary, no itinerary. One who abstains from taking wine. Teetotaler. A
And
person who
what is
eats.
the meaning? And what is the meaning of abstinence?
What is abstains? What do you understand by abstinence? You tell me. So one who abstains means one who stops himself or herself from doing something that they enjoy.
One who abstains from taking. One who enjoys from taking wine. Teetotaler.
Hmm. One who stops himself from enjoying, right? A person who eats too much.
Who eats too much. Gluten.
Government by one person. Dictatorship.
Government
A
by one
life,
person. Dictatorship. A
a
life
life,
of story of a man written by himself. Autobiography.
a
A
person living in
person.
a foreign country. Public sale in which articles are sold to.
What? Then what
Foreign,
is the meaning of public sale?
a person living in a foreign country. So see, there are two here. A person living in a foreign country is a foreigner, and public sale in which articles are sold to highest bidders is auction. Auction means if there is some property or something which is kept open for sale, and the person who will quote the highest amount will get that property. Okay, that
Okay,
is called an auction.
highest bidders.
That is
Celibacy.
not. No, so the public sale. See, this is the whole word. A public a public sale. Can you see? A public sale in which articles are sold to highest bidders is called auction. Okay? And the state of being unmarried is celibacy. Okay?
Okay.
A disease which is spread by contact, contagious.
Animals that feed on grass, herbivores. Animals that eat plants, carnivores. A person who readily believes others, credulous. Perceptile, stable to the
To the
ear,
ear,
optical.
audible, likely to break apart easily, brittle,
Brittle,
brittle. Okay?
not brittle, not brittle.
Okay. Now wait. Let me share the screen. Wait.
Why should I let you share the screen?
Can you see? Kaibilya, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the plural forms of. Wait, let me just um, enlarge the screen so you can see. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start doing the first 16. First question.
I can see two fish in the fish tank. How many children are there in the
Wait. You will not answer like this. You will note down the answers and then we will discuss together. Quickly finish first 16. Quickly.
uh
Done?
Oh, ma'am. There are 18 questions. Oh my God.
Do.
Program and initial, mm,
Done?
only 5 done.
Quickly do it.
class
Finish. Which question? Which question are you doing?
Hmm.
Should we start?
No, ma'am, more 5 minutes.
First answer.
Ma'am, I had not done
Which question are you doing?
12.
Quickly do it.
And then
I can see two.
I can see two fish, FISH,
How many?
children,
We still need three more folks and
KNIVES,
very good. Many trees lose their dash in the fall.
VES,
What? Leaves.
yes. Many deer,
Many deer. Very good. Sharks can grow thousands of dash in a lifetime.
teeth,
What is the population of Mexico? How many dash live there?
people,
Cats like to catch.
mice,
I really want to sit down. My
my
dash.
feet,
Very good. Dash have 8 arms and live in the sea.
OCTO, uh, wait a minute, OCTOPUSSES,
Sea. Yes, octopus plural is octo. What is the plural of octopus?
OCTOPUSSES,
No.
or only S. I am only confused.
So there are two plurals of octopus, Octopus or Octopi, octopi. Okay?
Octopi.
Yes, Octopi, octopi and octopuses, Octopus. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
There are lots of ducks and
There are lots of ducks and geese.
very good. Spell geese.
The policeman followed the three men out of the bank.
Spell men.
Many husbands, and WI VES.
Okay.
WOLVES.
Okay. Farmer Brown has lots of
Sheep.
cell.
Sheep only.
Okay. How many dash are work in your office?
Woman.
Okay. Now next. Next 16.
And please do not tell me to write because I have written.
So just answer.
Yes. FOXES.
Wait.
Foxes. Foxes.
Wait.
No, I will not wait. You said to not waste time.
Okay. Sorry. My mistake. Wait.
Yes.
The, hmm. Eyelash.
EYELASHES.
Very good.
HOUSES.
Very good.
LIVES.
Very good.
FLOWERS.
Hmm.
M MICE. Mice.
Hmm.
Children.
Hmm.
People.
Hmm.
POTATOES.
Hmm.
CLUBS.
Hmm.
KNIVES.
Hmm.
CHIEFS.
No FS.
No, ma'am, it is chips. FS. I saw that in singular and plural nouns that time when
Okay.
I was sitting. Chips.
Then next.
TOYS. Toys.
Okay.
WORRIES.
Okay.
Men. Men.
Hmm.
DISHES.
Okay.
Pajama
Next.
party.
Some of these words are wrong. Correct them or write okay.
If they are right.
Yes.
If they are not right, I will not write okay.
So you just answer.
Okay. Sheeps. Not okay.
Hmm.
Teacher. Okay.
Hmm.
Children. Okay.
Hmm.
Person. Not okay.
Hmm.
Tomatoes. Not okay. Jeans. Okay. Wives. Okay. Women. Okay. Fishes. Okay or not okay?
You tell me.
Because many types of fishes, when there are many types of fishes, it is called ES. When there is a singular uh, type of fish, then it will
Hmm.
be FISH.
Okay.
Pajama. Okay.
Next.
He is a very nice person. Ma'am, I think we have done this.
This
Yes,
exercise is done. Okay.
I think so.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine.
One
Done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It is test 3 or test 4.
Test 3.
Ma'am, we
Start.
have done this.
Quickly start doing it.
Ma'am, we have done this.
No, we have not done this.
Ma'am, we have done test 3. There are 25 questions I properly know.
Okay. So let's start with new chapter. Yes, we've done this. Okay. Fine. So now we will start with new lesson. You know which lesson we are going to start?
Uh, Pronoun.
Pronouns. Yes.
Yes.
You know pronouns?
Yes.
Okay. So I will be sharing two test links with you. One singular plural and one word substitution. And which is the other link?
Nouns.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Chocolate.
Fine. Now wait.
And do you want chocolate?
No, I don't want chocolate.
Please eat. I am keeping at your mouth.
Fabilia, please behave and let's start with pronouns.
Mm, 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 mm.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yeah. Yes.
So what are pronouns?
पर लगाओ. Pronoun is a word which is
No, what
used.
did you answer first? What did you answer first?
I think I was only saying to myself.
You better think and talk. Okay.
I
Start.
am not saying. I was not saying to you.
Okay. Start.
The pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Means when a noun is repeated, it replaces pronouns.
Okay. Robert played in inter-school football. Can you see?
Yes.
Robert played in inter-school football match. He received an award. My brother is really a smart worker. He is doing work smartly. The poster is hanging on the wall. It is beautiful. Look at the colorful parrots. They are flying in the sky. In the above given sentences, the words he, it, and they have been used in place of Robert, my brother, poster, and parrot. So these are pronouns. What are these? Yes, the words he, it, and they are.
Pronoun.
Okay. Now we are going to see types of pronouns. What are we going to see? Types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, dem-
Demonstrative pronoun.
interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun,
And
and
one more is there, association pronoun.
which pronoun?
A pronoun starting with letter E.
Reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, and relative pronoun. Okay,
And letter starting, a pronoun starting with E, I don't remember the name.
you will come to know. What are personal pronouns? The pronouns that are used in place of a person, place, or thing is called personal pronoun. He wants to teach the children. She smiles in every situation.
Ma'am,
They
please,
are.
ma'am, please scroll up. I can see the screen.
You can't see the screen.
Yes,
Why can't you see the screen?
I can see the screen.
Wait. Now, can you see? Yes.
Yes, personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, pronoun, pronouns.
Okay.
Mm.
Personal pronouns. So the pronouns that are used in a place of person, place, or thing is called a personal pronoun. He wants to teach the children. She smiles in every situation. They are outstanding in their role. I am surprised to see you here right now. In the above given sentences, the word he, she, they, you, and I are used for a person. So these all are called personal pronouns.
Oh,
Read clear.
yes, ma'am.
He, she, they, you, I are for a person, so they are
I
personal.
and it. I and it.
Now listen. I, me, he, she, him, her are person, single person when we talk about singular person. You, we, us when we talk about people. It is used when we talk about thing. They, them is used when we talk about things or people. When you are writing in English, first person singular is always capital, right? Whenever we write the sentence with I am eating, I am walking, I am going to do my homework, so the I is always written capital. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I, us, he, my, our, she, me, you, it, we, your, they. All these are personal pronouns.
Oh,
Now demonstrative pronouns. The
oh
pronouns
dear
that
India.
the pronouns that are used to point out the object we talk about are called demonstrative pronouns. There are four demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. This is a tedious task. That is my shirt.
And what is the
The
meaning of tedious?
tedious means difficult.
Okay.
That is my shirt. These are pencils. Those are pens. In the above sentences, this, that, these, and those indicate something. So these are called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, clear?
Okay.
This, that, these, those. Now,
Happy
remember,
Ganga festival.
This and these refer to nouns that are nearby in time or place. So the things which are near to us are referred with this and these. When we talk about something that is far from us or away in time or place, it is referred with that or those. Okay? This and that refers to singular nouns. These and those refer to plural nouns.
Okay.
Clear till now? Any doubt here? No? No doubt? Okay. Interrogative pronoun. The pronoun which is used to ask a question is called interrogative pronoun. Who has disclosed the secret? What are your expectations? Which one of the following is correct? Whom do you praise? Whose book did you bring me? Okay, so in the given sentences, who, what, which, whose, and whom are used for asking questions. So these are called interrogative pronouns. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is
Help
used,
yourself, himself, herself, itself.
yes, the effect of the action done by the subject itself. We use this pronoun when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence, like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Same way, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Clear?
Yes.
I hurt myself. We defended ourselves brilliantly. John talks to himself when he is nervous. In first example, the reflexive pronoun myself refers to the subject I. In second example, the reflexive pronoun ourselves refers back to the subject of the sentence. And in the third example, himself refers to John. Okay, so reflective pronouns reflect back on the subject like a mirror. Reflexive pronouns ends in self or selves. Clear?
Self or selves, okay.
Clear? Read this once.
Yes. I hurt myself. I hurt myself. We defended ourselves brilliantly. John talks to himself when he is nervous. In first example, the reflexive pronoun is myself that refers to the subject I. In the second example, the reflexive pronoun ourself refers back to the subject of the sentence. In third example, himself refers to John. Remember, reflexive pronouns reflects back on the subject like a mirror. Reflexive pronouns and in self or selves.
Clear?
Yes.
Emphatic pronoun or intensive pronoun.
Yes, I was only saying emphatic pronouns.
Okay. So we use the emphatic pronoun in a sentence to refer back to the noun which is the subject of the sentence in order to emphasize it. Myself, yourself, himself, herself. Itself, ourselves, yourselves. She herself went there. So when we emphasize to a particular person,
Now, what is
that
the meaning of emphasize
what is the meaning of emphasize?
and intensive?
Emphatic and intensive. So emphatic is when you are, you know, talking about that particular thing or a person. emphasizing, that is called emphatic pronoun. Okay, it will refer to the subject in the sentence. You are like, if I say Kaivalya was doing his homework, he himself did the worksheet. So I am talking about Kaivalya and I am emphasizing that he himself did the worksheet. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the difference. Reflexive pronoun is always after the verb. Emphatic pronoun is always after the subject.
Okay, ma'am.
Remember this, okay? So how will you differentiate when himself, herself is given both the ways? So how will you check? This is always after the verb, reflexive pronoun, and emphatic pronoun is always after the subject. Clear?
Yes, my pointing is also moving.
Now comes possessive pronoun. What are possessive pronouns? What do you understand by possessive pronouns? The pronouns which shows possession is called possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used when we want to substitute a group of words that are indicating a possession relation. This car is ours. This book is yours. In the given example, the word ours and yours are showing possession relation. So these are called possessive
Now,
pronouns.
pronoun.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see. I, you, he, mine, yours, his. All these are possessive pronouns. So when the subject is I, the possessive pronoun is mine. When the subject is you, the possessive pronoun is yours. When the subject is he, the possessive pronoun is his. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The kids are yours and mine. We shall finally have what is rightfully ours. Their mother gets along well with yours. What's mine is yours, my friend. The dog is mine, the cat is yours, the ring is hers, the bag is theirs. That is my car, that car is mine, this is my room, this room is mine. Clear?
Yes.
A possessive possession indicates the ownership or relationship. Okay, so when we use apostrophes to show possession in case of a noun, very important thing to understand. Are you clear till now? Which all pronouns did we see? Can you please tell me?
Empathetic, emphatic or intensive pronoun.
What?
Demonstrative pronoun.
Okay.
Possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun.
Okay.
Uh,
Personal pronouns.
personal pronoun.
So we did personal, interrogative, demonstrative, emphatic.
And possessive.
Yes. Clear?
And also reflexive.
Yes. Clear? So
Yes.
how do we come to know it is a reflexive pronoun?
Reflexive pronoun, we come to know reflexive pronoun always comes before, sorry, after verbs.
And reflexive, emphatic pronoun comes after.
Uh, Subject.
Clear? Any doubt here? No? Fine. Should we go ahead? or no? Where are you? Can you please move a little back? I cannot see your face. Yes, thank you so much. So, do you know when do we use apostrophe s
After a noun.
after a noun?
Yes.
A possession indicates the ownership. When the noun is singular, possession is shown by adding s to the noun. Example: Mr. John, Mr. John's.
Where are you reading? We have not already written the one passage. First passage.
Children, we've not read the first passage.
Yes. Or
Okay.
paragraph. Paragraph, okay.
Okay.
Of
So,
possession indicates the ownership or relationship. Apostrophe S is used to show possession. When we want to show that something belongs to somebody else or something, we usually add S to a singular noun and apostrophe to a plural noun.
clear? When we add s, when the word is plural, right?
Like
The
like
birds.
boys. BOYS only. Then the apostrophe only.
Children, then children's. But when noun is plural and does not end in s, very important point, Kabilia, to understand. See, when the noun is plural, okay? Now
When
pay
the
attention.
noun is singular, possession is shown by adding s to the noun.
And
Okay.
when the noun is plural and does not end in s, okay? Now see, pay attention here, okay? Can you see?
Mm,
Can you see the whiteboard?
not now.
Now can you see?
Yes. Hi, Hola Tola.
Okay. So
I can.
suppose if the word is boy, okay, the plural is boys, right?
Yes.
Okay, but
Wait.
if I add apostrophe in this, the apostrophe will be like
B
this.
O I
Okay, but if we add apostrophe in the plural, the
B BOY S and apostrophe single one. Where is that? Single. And where is the single apostrophe?
in the singular one, see boys. When I write boy, I put
Like,
apostrophe here.
like
When
this
I write plural, I put apostrophe after the s.
and
Clear?
like this.
Yes. And where will you put in this? Same way, if the singular is child, okay, we write childs. But if the plural is
Children. Children. I am children.
keep repeating,
What, ma'am?
if the plural is children,
Yes.
then what do we write?
Children's. Children's.
Huh.
Exception.
How we will write?
Apostrophe S.
How?
Chi- Child's. Children's apostrophe S.
Like this. Okay? We will not
Yes.
write, if we write it like this is wrong.
Yes. It is exception.
It is not exception, it is wrong. This is right. So if
Oh,
the plural does not end with S, we
I
write the apostrophe
definitely.
S like this. Clear?
Uh,
Yes. Clear?
yes.
Okay. Clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
So what am I going to do? I'll be sharing two links for the test. I have already discussed it, but you will do and submit it to me. Okay, bye, bye, bye.
Because there is only 1 minute.
So you are waiting,
Yes.
and then you will run.
Yes.
Okay. And
But
what will you do in homework?
links.
And revise the pronouns that we've done. No, don't revise. Okay.
Yay. Yay.
Okay. Happy?
Yes. Yes.
Anything else?
No.
Clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Are you
Oh,
happy?
I am happy. Are you
But you
happy?
are not happy.
Why am I not happy? I am happy. Okay. Are you
Mm.
are you clear till now? Whatever we've done.
Yes, ma'am. I am leaving the meeting.
Why are you leaving the meeting? Did I ask you?
No.
I am sharing the links with you for the test.
19. 19. 19. Bye. We will meet after 1000 years.